Hello guys, so we will unbox something today, and today is Holi, and if you are watching on another date, so that is not Holi. Okay, and today's date is 17.3.22. Okay, so today is a small Holi, not big Holi, normal Holi. Today is small Holi, and we will unbox this surprise. So first you will like and subscribe the channel and give the comment wow. Okay, so let's open this box. Okay, so it has oh, this is the third surprise. Yes, it is written wow and third surprise. Oh, I think this is third surprise of this box. So let's see what is in it, and it is a line to see from where you should cut. Okay, let's open this. I am cutting it. Okay, let's see. We should open more. Okay, let's take out it. Oh, this is a toy. This is made of plastic and paper. Okay. Oh, it moved. Yes, I see it moved. Okay, so this was our third surprise, but we are saying that this is our first surprise. Okay, so what is the next surprise? It is a toffee, and this is the first surprise of this box. You cannot see, it's written toffee and it is written 1. So this is the first surprise of this box. Okay, so let's start opening it. Oh, this is made of paper, so you should not eat this. This is also made of paper. Oh no, this toffee, it is not real. Okay, so what is the next? Oh no, where's the paper? No problem. This was the very best thing. I like this toy. I like the toy. Okay, so let's see what is next. It is a box, so let's take out it. Oh, okay. This is second surprise. It is written 2 on this. See, you cannot see, I know, but it is written 2 only. I am saying true. Okay, so let's open it. What is it? Oh, this is a flower. On any my mother's, father, grandmother's, grandpa's birthday or my friend's birthday, we can paste on the card. Okay, so we can close it and put it. And if you got this and make in your home, use the scissors and Fevicol tape very carefully because your hand can stick. Okay, so let's see what is the first surprise. No, fourth. Oh, it's not coming out, so what should I do? I should push it. I will open from here. Yes, it came out. Oh, it's a small box. Let's see what is inside of this. Ooh, what was that? That was nothing. That was not empty. Oh, here's it. So let's see what we can do. It is like mirror. Oh wow, I can see many Anshikas in this mirror. Did you want to see? Okay, see. It was great. So all the surprises are finished and this was the unboxing video. Okay guys, so that's all for today. We will meet next time and happy Holi in advance. Bye guys. We will meet you next time. Oh, my sister is eating Oreo. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so we'll meet next time in the video. So that's all today. Bye bye guys.